Hey guys, Rick Curren of TV Scaly Adventures for my friends at Midwest Tongs. One of the most important things you can do as a business person right now is protect your employees. And a lot of your employees may not necessarily know all of the proper procedures to handle contaminated waste. Unfortunately, one of the things that we're seeing right now is people are going to stores and other establishments, and when they're done in the store, they peel off their gloves, and unfortunately, call it rude, call it whatever, they're peeling their gloves off and they're throwing them on the ground, or they're missing the trash can. And you now have employees who have to go out and pick this stuff up because it's a contamination risk and it makes your business look bad. But our friends at Tongs.com, Midwest Tongs, happen to have some tongs that we actually use, and I wanted to demonstrate them to you so that you could see these and help maybe keep your employees safe. So they have various different types, but if you're not familiar with tongs, these are actually used to handle snakes, particularly venomous snakes, and we've been using them on our television series for a long time. This happens to be the Snake Sticks. It's an economy tong, very low price point on it. It's got a polymer head, and it also has a metal body and a metal handle grip on here, okay? And they have all the way up to their Pro Series. This is their Pro Series M1 tong. Now, the reason you might want to look at a Pro Series is if you're somebody who's going to do a lot of picking up. Say you happen to have a huge big box store and you're going to have employees out there picking up hundreds of gloves. This one will last you a long time. But anyway, let me demonstrate how these tongs work. So simply put, you take these tongs in your hand like this. Very nice, firm, secure grip. This is not going to blow away. It's not going to get loose, anything like that. It simply wraps around the tong. Boom, like that. You can pick it up and just move it like that. It gets gripped right inside the mouth of the tong right there. You drop it into your secure bucket. See how easy this is? That's the great thing about it. And if you notice, I'm keeping a safe distance between me and the contaminated item. Once you're done with that, cleanup is really easy. You take a decontaminating solution. You may have a store policy that has a certain one. If not, alcohol or bleach will work for this particular thing. You simply spray down the entire device. That's the nice thing about this. This is an aluminum piece of equipment, so it's not going to rust on you. Then you just take and you literally just wipe down every little piece of it right here. And as you're wiping it down, you keep those gloves on. They'll protect your hands. Then you can put it away until the next employee uses it. Also, the final thing you can do is once you've taken and wiped it all down with your gloves on, you then just spray it down one more time. It's not going to rust or anything like that. So guys, check this out at Tongs.com. It's definitely going to help keep your employees safe. And so you guys stay safe during this crisis. And remember, we'll see you on the other side of it at Tongs.com.